Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So over the years, generally students have some query about SSEC classes, and after searching various social media platforms, I have listed down some queries, and I would request you that you would reply the queries of the students. So can I start with the questions?
Yes, please.
Yes. So the first question is, I have done my graduation or I have completed my graduation. I am covering both type of students. I know English, but I am not able to speak English. So will joining SSEC will help me?
Yes, definitely. See, when you know grammar academically,
Okay.
you know the fundas of English.
Yes.
But you need to have enough practice under the guidance of any mentor. So, after the proper guidance and enough practical practice, you will be having the command over a language. So, ultimately, you can speak fluently.
So the over the years, whatever experience you have gained, it would help me in making my English fluent. So that is what you are trying to say.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. So the second query which students generally have is, I am appearing for IELTS, government exam or any other high pressure competitive exam. So will joining SSEC provide me some hand holding guidance while preparing for these competitive exams?
See, for this government exam IELTS,
Yes.
you need to have a very good command over a reading skill, listening skill, and obviously creative writing. So,
Okay.
under the syllabus of SSEC, we cover all the aspect of the language. So, after joining SSEC, definitely it would help you to achieve your grades, bands, marks.
So basically, I would be able to build my proper base, which would help me in rising further and getting better percentile per marks, etc. Whatever I am thinking or dreaming about.
Yes.
Yes. So the third question which students generally have is, why do you take an aptitude test, which is not a norm?
See, aptitude test is just to know your strength. Once I know the strength and equally weakness, I can draft the course according to your strength.
So it.
As mentioned,
I'm sorry.
yeah, as mentioned, Sejal Spoken English Classes provides the course which is customized.
So yes, so basically it would be a customized course according to my need.
Yes.
Like it would not be a general trend that you have to sit in a class of 100, that I have designed some curriculum and you have to follow it. So it would not be like that.
Here, robots are not being produced.
Okay. Yes. It's a very good line, by the way. Robots are not being produced. So the fourth query which students generally have is, you have a, like, it's a very big course which includes many things like personality development, meditation, presentation skills. So what is the benefit and will it be helpful to me?
Very good question. When you are calm through meditation and managing your priorities
Okay.
very wisely,
Yes.
which is being taught in class, personality reflects in your body language, and rest of the all topics is the piece of cake for you.
Yes, ma'am. So, like improving body language, all these various aspects would be covered while joining SSEC. Like it's not just about English, but all the areas revolving directly or indirectly about it. Like, is my interpretation right?
Yes, here the society has presented these all the terms in a very awkward manner, in a very tough manner.
Okay,
So
yeah.
we try to make it as a fun.
Okay. So, is the digital mode available, or if I'm residing at a remote location, can I take the experience of the quality services that you provide?
Definitely. See, SSEC always stick to its traditional method, but it has been updated with the demand of time.
Okay.
We want that there would be a live session on a user-friendly app, which is Zoom, Google Meet. So SSEC is available globally equal to the remote areas.
Ma'am, what about doubt solving? What are the fees and which course I should select? So, like, you can answer it in a sequence, like starting with what is the fees first of all.
Fees. It would be depend which course you are opting. As already mentioned in the site that we have offered so many courses. So it would be again your decision which course you are opting for. Definitely,
Just a minute,
we will guide you.
Can I interrupt?
Yeah.
Yes. So, ma'am, for example, I am confused and I am not able to understand really even after thinking a lot. So, can you just help me out in making which choice to make? Can you help me out regarding
Yes,
that?
for that only I have kept an aptitude test.
Yeah. Okay. So, yes, the fees point is covered. Course point is covered, and what would be the time period duration of the complete course?
The main unique selling point of SS is that we are with you lifelong till the date I am alive. You can contact me from anywhere at any point of time, and I'll try my best to provide you the solution with no time.
So it's not just like that once class is over, our relationship of 2.5 months that we have built is over.
No.
It's like it's lifetime. Till
It's-
the date
After
students
the
are
class,
ready.
the journey will start.
Okay. And yes, I have tried to address majority of the queries. Still, if your queries is not replied or responded, you may contact on the contact details given. Thank you, ma'am.